Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the Save Web and App Activity function on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner and tap on Manage Your Google Account. Go to this left side column of the screen and tap on Data and Privacy. After that, you should scroll down to the History Settings section and tap on Web and App Activity, which is the first button. As you can see, it is enabled by shown with this or by this on and check mark icon. So if you would like to disable it, just tap on this turn off button, and here you can read about pausing the web and app activity feature. So tap on the pause button and tap on got it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.